Welcome to AQ Snooker Mentor app demo video, and this is a very interesting video. You cannot skip it because you'll have to learn. Once you've downloaded this app, you must understand the application first and then start using it, because you'll get more benefit if you know what you are actually looking for and what you are expecting from this app. So once you turn on your app, you will get the form, registration form. This is full name, username, email, password, referral code, and your verification of your email address. Because without that verification code, you will not get access to this app. So once you are signed in, you will have three options: snooker, 8-ball pool, 9-ball pool, and then we are working on more things in which we'll add more options for Q Sports, because it is a Q Sports mentor. So there will be all sports included that is related to Q. So let's, because it's snooker, at the moment we are focusing on snooker. So we'll enter into the snooker section. So now you can see that there is a training coach, snooker coach. Not many people understand this, that there is a training coach. There's a difference between a training coach and a snooker coach. Snooker coach is the one who is going to coach you snooker, is going to teach you the tricks of playing shots, doing good, your technique and all that. And then you have training coach who will make sure that you complete your practice routines as per coach's advice or a training coach's advice. So let's start with our section first. Let me go through snooker coach first, and you can see if you click on it, you'll have an option for English language and Urdu language. So if you go into the English language, you'll see that there are several videos will appear, and then you can go browse all the videos, and then it's up to your choice that which video you want, which is your weaker end, or which you want to improve, or you can go through all the videos. They will be available, and there will be more videos added on weekly basis or monthly basis. We'll be adding them, upgrading them. New videos from different coaches I will also try to add in that subject in this section. Let's say if we are on the potting angles video, and you click on it, and you can see a small screen.
Hi guys, welcome to
and the video is uploading,
and today we are going to talk about the potting angles, and this is the practice that I am placing it for you.
So now you can understand. Now you can increase this screen size, enlarge it. You can watch it full. You can listen to it, and once you can even move them, back and forth with the player options. So now let me take you to another one. So you get the idea that how it works. So you go through any other videos, just go. The more video will be coming later. So this is your actually snooker coach. Most of the players have been wandering around all over the world that, can I get a proper video on a grip? Can I get a proper video on stance? And there are hundreds of options, hundreds of types of videos available. But this will be a proper way of understanding snooker personally and professionally. If you really want to be serious about this game, then this is the application for you, for a snooker coach. So now let's move to the next level, that is training coach. This is one of my favorite because I never follow all my training coach instructions, so I want to skip away. So this is the training actually that's going to help every snooker player that who is really trying to reach from 20 level break to 70, 80 level break, or even including a century break player. But if you go through this program, which is the training coach program, he will reach at any level of snooker. Let's say you can see here there's a junior level, advanced level, amateur level, pro level. Now you can see with junior level, all other levels are locked. So we'll click on the junior level, and level number 4 is open. Whereas, practice number 4 is open, whereas practice 5 and 6 is locked. So what we are going to do, we are going to click number 4, and you can see there is a page. This practice is all about pinks because it's a junior level, so we keep it simple. But with the passage of time, trust me, the practice routines you will be getting, you will be tested, your skills will be tested. So whatever level you are, you'll have to start with the junior level, because if you are good enough, you can finish these junior level practice within 30 minutes. That's it. And then advanced level, if you're still good enough, you can spend like 1 hour, 1.5 hours and finish all those practice routines. But for amateur level, you'll have to be a decent player to complete those levels. So, okay, let's come back to the junior level practice number 4.
Hi,
so,
welcome to AQ Snooker Mentor.
You can
practice
play the videos. There is English language
level,
and Urdu language.
It's a very interesting practice. And all you have to do is to pot 4 pinks 28
You
score is
can
the
again
highest break.
enlarge this video.
Now we are improving our sport, and you have to place the pink on the spot, and then two
Okay,
balls
this will
distance
explain you how much
between
distance
first
you
red.
need. Everything has been explained in this demonstration video. Watch this video and then start recording your own video. Now you can see there's a start practice. You can press start practice and your practice will be starting, and you will fix it on the camera, and you will do the same practice as it was shown in the demo section. So once it's done, you can submit your video, you can upload it, you'll enter your score, and then that's it. Once you enter the score, your next level automatically next practice routine number 5 will be unlocked. Even though if you have not completed it and you still have uploaded it, doesn't matter, you can come again and you can redo the practice. But once you can see the 5th practice is open, 6th is locked. Now we're gonna do the same exercise with the 5th practice number, and then we'll do the same with the practice numbers. Now let me finish practice number 5. We'll complete this practice and we'll unlock the next practice routines, and then practice number 6 is the last practice, and we'll have to complete this practice as well, which is a bit difficult practice. Now you can see. So once you are done with this practice, you have to again record your video, complete this practice as per the demonstration or details as we explained in the training video. Then you will have to perform it as it's been explained. So once you're done, you submit the video, and now you can see once you submit the final video, it says review my video, because your next level, which is advanced level, is not going to open until unless you press review button. You will submit, we'll get a notification as a coach or my related coaches, and they will see if you have done this practice properly or not, if you have done it completely or not. If any one of your practice is not done correctly, not done completely, all your videos will be reset, and you will have to redo all this juniors level again, practice 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you will get the access to the next level. Until unless your coach is not satisfied, not happy, he will not let you in to the next level. So that's the catch in it. So make sure that you complete your videos properly and you move to the next level. Now my videos section, the practice routines, what we've been doing is now in my video section all your record, because if you haven't completed your practice, you can watch it later, you can look at it and you can see, okay, I haven't done this right, I'm going to redo it. You can resubmit the videos, but once you submit the review, your videos will be locked and you cannot get access to my training videos section. So make sure once you complete those practice, and then and only then you submit your request review button. Otherwise, please don't do that. AQ Live is a section that is going to be whenever I'm going to be live. I would like you guys to join in. Throughout the people all over the world, whoever are part of it, they can join in all my live sessions on demonstration on this application, and then I can guide them how they can move further. So this is a very interesting feature. Even you can join in through the video as well, and we are working on it, and you can have all the information, all the details once you download this video. Now you can see that it's active now. So whenever you'll get live, your AQ Live will be green, and you will know that there is a live session going on. So if you are late, you can join it. AQ Mentor Ambassadors. Of course, Ambassadors is the stage which I appreciate, and I give chance to all my the people who has done something for snooker and are actually convinced that this app is the one that is going to take from a 20 plus break player to an 80 plus or 100 plus player. So they will be one of our renowned ambassadors, and there will be more added. You can see their certificates will be added here, and you will go through this one later. Raja Asan Trick Shot Corner. This is very interesting. These are the trick shots for all my application users to enjoy. He's one of the top snooker star, trick shot star of Pakistan. So that's why he's also ambassador of AQ Snooker app, and he's also part of AQ Snooker Trick Shot Corner. So referral is very important. Your username is your referral code. Whoever signs up through your referral code, we'll definitely after 20 referrals we'll definitely give you a cashback prize special for a guy whoever his whose pupils are joining in or students are joining in. So you can calculate your referrals through your referral section. Now YouTube is of course is a YouTube channel. It takes, click on it and then it will take you to my YouTube channel, my original YouTube channel, and then you can, okay, now message us, message AQ. That's the one where you can, if you have any question, you can leave your message, or even you can contact me through my WhatsApp number as well. So definitely we'll try to sort out. Now supporters is very important. Supporters are the one that whether you are running a snooker academy, a billiard academy, a pool academy, or even a restaurant or anything, you can be part of our snooker supporters, and we'll showcase your services, your products, your things in our supporters section. And you can submit an e-card. Let's say if you have a breaker snooker here and it's an e-card, and people can contact them directly for their services, and if it's a restaurant they'll contact them directly wherever in the world they are, doesn't matter, but it's accessible. Again, last section is registered coaches, and registered coaches are getting coaches from all over the world, not just from Pakistan. Trust me, it's going to be a huge database of coaches that are affiliated with the application. These are the application registered coaches. Please keep this in mind, application registered coaches. So now you can see there are list of application coaches that are going through, and then if you want to contact someone, you click on it and then it appears Bilal Ahmed from South Korea. So there'll be more and more coaches coming in. So if you want to be part of this registered coaches, you want to get registered, if you have a knowledge of snooker and decent knowledge of IT, you can contact me, and I can register you in train you, and then we can add you to our AQ snooker training app, mentor app. So you'll also become the part of this app. So anyone in the world can contact you, whoever is using this. If you are in his area, they'll contact you and they'll ask the technical questions, and then you can explain as a registered coach of. So last section is of course snooker accessories, and this we are working on. In this section you will get all the training gadgets, snooker tables, snooker cloths, snooker tips, snooker cues, and many more. Anything that is related to cue sports, you'll find it here, but that database will be including with the passage of time. So I hope guys this concludes our demo section, and to be very honest, I kept it very low so it can be reached all over the world, not just for Pakistan, not just for fewer common community. That's why I kept it in bilingual. So go for it and grab it, and to try it, it's only I think less than $1 or something, not more than that. So you pay through that, you download it, try for 1 week, and then you can sign up for 3 months for under $10. Trust me, I'm not keeping it very expensive because I want people really to get benefit from there. So this is the time, and this is because an introductory price, introductory options. If you join in now, definitely you will get more benefit in future as well. So make sure you sign up, and once you download it and you sign up, and let's say if you don't increase your, once you sign up and your subscription time is over, it will still not be locked. The only sections that will be locked will be the training coach, the snooker coach, and my video section. Rest of the section you will be able to be part of our live sessions, my registered coaches, our another announcements. You will be getting all those joyful benefits from this app. So I hope this will help. So download now. Don't waste your time. Don't wait for anyone. Make sure you recommend this to your friend so you can get your referral code into our database as well. So I hope this will help. Take care. Bye.